everyone, Kush Spontaneous here. So we'll be trying out Taiwan snacks. Okay, let's try first. This is cranberry yata, if I'm not mistaken. Cranberry. Yan yung loob niya. Let's try. Ang sarap. May cranberry bits, yung nougat, para siyang may biscuit. Next, nougat din. Pero boba yung laman. Try. Papakabusog tayo sa Taiwan snacks. This is where your audience and yung sa boba. Let's try. Amoy pa lang. Amoy boba na. Good. This one, ang sabi niya, snowflake cake. Let's try. So, parang siyang strawberry. Open. Look at that layer. Diba? Let's try. Sabi niya snowflakes, pero strawberry cream. Parang siyang strawberry cream na nougats na. Masarap. Red bean mochi. Ito yung mga favorite mong mga mahilig sa Chinese desserts. Mochi. Try. Oh, sarap. May red bean. Lasang-lasa yung red bean. One of my favorite. Peanut. Peanut mochi. May peanut talaga. Ito, same siya. So, boba, isang mochi, isang nougat. Let's try. Let's open. Bubble milk tea or boba. Next, matcha with cashew. Natin. Matcha with cashew. Grabe. Matcha lovers, unite. Look. Pineapple with egg yolk. May egg yolk talaga. Try. Next, almond chocolate. Masarap to, lalo na mahilig sa chocolate and almond lovers. Ganyan yung laman niya, individually wrapped. Wow, ganda. Ganda na lalagyan, ha? Sesame almond crispy jerky. Masarap. May almond, may sesame. Seaweed. Ganyan siya sa loob, oh. Hindi lang siya seaweed. May layer din siya ng nuts. Sarap. Sarap niya talaga, promise. Yan, oh, may almond. Ano yung may parang mga crunch. Sarap. Lastly, maraming bumibili nito. Or ito, pwede rin to. So, I have to pick one. Ito na lang. Cheers! Super sarap! Promise, no extras. 28 NTD lang to, ha. Yun na muna for now. Thanks for watching. Krish Foodies. Follow Krish Spontaneous for